announced Zalala. So how do you see the look way forward now?
See, this is Bharatiya Janata Party is one of the largest democratical party, and it follows a democratic process. And even in this democratic process, Damu Naik, who is the new president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, has emerged out of consensus. Everybody, right from the block level to the district level to the state level, everybody unanimously has supported him, which augurs well. He is a person who has come from the grassroots. तो ल्हान पावंड्यासून वयर सरला, बूथ कार्यकर्ता जावन कितलींशीं पदां भोगूनच तो अध्यक्ष जाल्लो आसा. आनी असलो मनीस जे संघटनाची तेका पूर्व म्हणजे अनुभव आसा, एक्सपिरियन्स आहा, दॅट वील स्टँड हिम गुड टू रन द पार्टी एंड मेक इट इवन स्ट्रॉंगर. आनी म्हाका दिसता आज जे लोकांची एन्थुजियाजम चोवन, इतली उत्साह चोवन अवश्य 2027ची तयारी आतांसून सुरू जाला अशी दिसता. आनी विदाउट एनी डाउट वी विल बी विनिंग इट.
Okay.
या